What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And contrary to popular belief, I am a big fan of the DeWALT tool company. There are lots and lots of offerings. I could name a couple. Lots and lots of offerings that have helped me earn a living over the course of my career in construction. And one of those options that I'm very excited about are drill and drive bits. Drill and drive bits. And why am I excited about them? Because lately, those drill and driver bits have been coming in really swanky and awesomely crystal clear cases that actually stack and make you more productive. You don't have to worry about digging around to find what you need. They're latched together. They have a clear lid. You know what you're looking at. Oh, is this max fit? Oh, it's not. What is this one? Here we are. Look. Well, I don't know. Well, let's take a look inside here. Oh, that's what I needed. Look, here, let me look through my clear lid. Listen, this is the deal. We got some announcements coming up because DeWALT has announced and debuted new ToughCase accessory storage sets. And I'm going to tell you all about them right after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. Head on over to our merch store where you can pick up tech shirts, t-shirts, hats, stickers, maybe even hoodies. The link will be down in the description below. I tell you, we got some pictures we're going to be looking over. I'm excited about this. I love organization. Plus, I do love DeWALT's drive bits. They are literally some of my favorite magnetic sleeves, some of my favorite bits. They fit well, and now we can be more organized with them. Let's see what DeWALT is saying about it. It says, DeWALT debuts ToughCase Plus accessory storage sets that are the latest addition to the brand's accessory storage with premium features to help keep drilling and fastening bits organized. It actually says organized. I said organized. The system includes 4 container sizes: the small bulk storage container, small ToughCase Plus container, medium ToughCase Plus container, and large ToughCase Plus container for unlimited configurations, not power. The ToughCase Plus containers feature newly designed bit storage with unique bit bar position that allows for easy removal of bits. A big complaint I get about drive and drill bit sets sometimes is that people can't get them out of the box. And, you know, this is the thing. Over time, okay, if they were loose in the beginning, they probably over time would just be falling out of the box. But I digress. People don't like that. They're hard to get out of the case. It seems like DeWALT, okay, which I've never really had a problem with that issue, has heeded that warning from consumers. And they're putting in this new design. So to reiterate, it says the ToughCase Plus containers feature newly designed bit storage with a unique bit bar position that allows for easy removal of bits. I know you're loving it. No, not you. You. I know you're loving it. You're loving it. Clear lids let users see what's in the case at a glance. In addition, the small, medium, and large ToughCase Plus containers include a proprietary latch system to connect to each other for optimized storage space. Yes, like these cases. They latch together. Look how simple it is. It's like beautiful. Beautiful. Very modular. I dig it. The small bulk storage container fits into each of the units as well and helps loose materials stay organized. The user-friendly features included in the ToughCase Plus accessory storage set helps users stay organized and ready for action. Oh yeah. Who doesn't like to be ready for action? The sets are available with the most popular lines of bits from DeWALT, including MaxFit, which are some of my favorite, Flex Torque, I like them, Tough Grip, bits, and more. The small bulk storage containers and small ToughCases Plus container range from $5.99 to $16.99 MSRP. They're available right now. The medium ToughCase Plus containers and large ToughCase Plus containers range from $19.99 to $39.99. And if you like having a range of offerings, size and price-wise, and smash the like button. Also, let us know down below, what do you think about these little bit holder boxes? Do you like that they're clear? Do you like they latch together? Are you not sold on it? Do you think maybe, they should have just stayed with this style and never have progressed, ever? And nothing should have ever changed. At least as long as you use it the way you like it. Let us know down below what you think. I like the idea of moving forward and being able to see what I'm grabbing out of my bag and having things be modular. So if you like that, smash the like button, get subscribed, and tap the bell, because we go over new innovative tool offerings from all of the tool companies all the time. Like every day. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.